Welcome back to Bull Market Bully, where we break down stocks like a pro. Today we're diving into Cloudflare, ticker NET, a leader in cybersecurity and cloud infrastructure. Stick around for a bonus tip to gain an edge when investing in this tech powerhouse. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more top-tier breakdowns. About the company. Cloudflare is a leading name in cybersecurity, content delivery, and network infrastructure. Its mission? To make the internet faster, safer, and more reliable. From protecting websites from DDoS attacks to helping businesses integrate AI tools. With over 100 data centers worldwide, it processes 20% of global internet traffic. Financial overview: revenue, profit margins, and growth rates. Cloudflare has been on a growth tear. Revenue, $1.87 billion, with 26% year-over-year growth. Profitability is still a challenge, with net margins at negative 5.57% and operating margins at negative 7.16%. Despite the losses, Cloudflare's cash flow stands strong. Operating cash flow, $338 million. Levered free cash flow, $358 million. The business is scaling efficiently while reinvesting for future growth. Analysis of market trends and competitive landscape. The cybersecurity and cloud infrastructure markets are booming, driven by AI integration. Cloudflare is expanding its platform to support AI apps. Cybersecurity demand is rising as cyber threats increase, driving need for Cloudflare's services. Main competitors include Akamai Technologies with strong diversification, Fastly, which is developer-friendly but struggles with scale, and Amazon CloudFront, integrated with AWS but lacking Cloudflare's security innovation. Cloudflare's competitive edge is its global network and developer-first tools like Cloudflare Workers. Future prospects are looking bright for Cloudflare, particularly in AI integration and cybersecurity. With the AI boom, Cloudflare is positioning itself as the infrastructure for AI tools, partnering with big names like OpenAI and NVIDIA. Cloudflare's tools for blocking AI data scraping and detecting bots are in high demand. However, challenges remain, especially regarding valuation. With a 41% price jump this year, the stock trades at a premium compared to its peers. Investment strategy. Cloudflare is a growth stock. Short-term profits might not be your play. Long-term investors with patience see Cloudflare's innovation in AI and cybersecurity. Key levels to watch: support, $95. Resistance, $116. For long-term investors, Cloudflare gets an A-. Its growth story is solid, and its leadership in AI and cybersecurity is unmatched. But if you're risk-averse, watch its valuation. Here's your bonus tip. Cloudflare is making big moves in the crypto space. It provides the backbone for Web3 applications and blockchain projects. As Web3 grows, Cloudflare could benefit massively, something most investors overlook. Alright family, that's it for today's breakdown on Cloudflare. If you got value, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to join the Bull Market Bully community. Stay sharp, and I'll catch you on the next one.